Very good. Hello, students. How are you? I'm Rahul Ranjan. I'm going to start a very important topic of coordinate geometry. Okay, of class 10th. So it is very important topic as compared to board examination. It is very important. So let us start the topic. So we are going to start coordinate geometry. What we are going to start? Coordinate geometry. तो सबसे पहले कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्या होता है? व्हाट इज़ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री? सो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री को अगर हम डिफाइन करना चाहें, इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफाइन द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, देन it is the branch of mathematics, it is the branch of mathematics in which we study about location of point by the help of ordered pair of numbers. Okay, so this is the definition. So according to the definition, what is coordinate geometry? It is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the location of point. So what is the meaning of location of point? This is very important. Location of point, the word location of point is very important. Okay, so why it is important? It is important because you can see in the movies we are using Google Maps. Okay, so have you ever thought how Google Maps work? Okay, have you ever thought how the aeroplane moves? So they are all guided by, you can say that the whole system is guided by the help of coordinate geometry, because here we humans act like a point. So going with the syllabus, the first new thing which we have to read in class 10 is distance formula. So you people are aware of what is this? This is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. But in coordinate geometry, what we call this as x-axis and this as y-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is x dash and this is what? Y dash. This is the point of intersection which is called origin. Now what happened? I have got a point whose coordinate is x1, y1. And the second point I have got, its coordinate is x2 and what? y2. Okay, now I have drawn the distance between two. Now somebody asked me, can we able to calculate the distance between point A and B? Or is it possible to calculate the distance between point A and B? So I have told that, yeah, it is possible. And how it is possible? It can only be possible by the help of distance formula. So let us learn more about it. So let us start. So this is our coordinate x1, y1. I am trying to prove the formula. So what I have done is I have drawn a perpendicular. As you look, this is a perpendicular. This is our perpendicular. Let me draw it once again. This is the first perpendicular and this is the second perpendicular. Okay, now I've drawn another perpendicular from A. This is our point C, this is D and this is E. Now look, if we go through the measurement part, what we will find? This is x2 and this is x1. So if we will calculate CD, what I will get? x2 minus x1. I think there will be no problem because it is clearly visible. Now look, this is our y2. Just be careful, it is very easy. Don't worry about this. It is y1. So if I will calculate this, this is our y2 minus y1. So writing it clearly, I can say that CD is equals to x2 minus x1 and BE is equals to y2 minus y1. As we are looking through the diagram, we can see that AE equals to CD implies AE equals to x2 minus x1. Look, it is very clear. Now what I am going to do next is I am trying to utilize Pythagoras theorem. As you can see, triangle AEB is a right angle triangle. What it is? Right angle triangle. Okay, just try to look at it is a right angle triangle. So it is a right angle triangle at E. So we can see that AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. Look, it is very easy. Actually, students are very afraid of proof, but you can see that here the proof is very easy. Now look, students, AB square is equals to, what is the value of AE? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now look, one more thing which you need to pay attention is, if somebody has written like this, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, then he or she is also correct. Why? Because of the presence of the square. Because as we know, the square will convert the negative value into positive value. So if somebody is writing x2 minus x1 or the other one is writing x1 minus x2, both are correct because of the presence of a square. So the final formula which we have got is AB is equals to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay, so this is the formula. Now students are very much afraid of how we can use the formula, sir. How we can use the formula? It looks very interesting, but can you give me an example? Okay, fine, we can take one example. So suppose we have a point A, x1, sorry, we can take the point as like this, 2, 4, and the second point B, 6, 9. Now what is the question? Calculate the distance between AB. Now look, you can take any of the value at x1 and any of the value as x2. So suppose I have taken this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now look, AB square is equals to how much? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Just have patience, it is very easy. Now look, AB square is equals to 6 minus 2 square plus 9 minus 4 square. So it is 4 square plus 5 square. So what we have got? AB square is equals to 16 plus 25. So AB square is equals to 41. So AB is equals to under root 41. Look, this is the distance. So you can see that how easy it is. Okay. Now we can go with a special case. What the special case is? We can solve many more problems, don't worry. But we can go with the special case. What is the special case? Suppose the first point is the origin. So if the first point is origin, then its coordinate is x1, y, x0, 0. And the second point coordinate is x1, y1. So how can we calculate the formula? Look everybody. AB square is equals to x1 minus 0 square plus y1 minus 0 square. So we can see that AB square is equals to x1 square plus y1 square. So AB is equals to under root x1 square plus y1 square. So look everyone, this is the special formula. If one point is origin. Look everybody, this is the special formula, and when we are going to use this formula, if the first point is origin. And as I am making you understand by giving one more example, suppose we have a point A whose coordinate is 0 0, and we have a point B whose coordinate is -2 comma -4, and if you need to calculate the distance between these 2 points, what you have to do is you can write AB square is equals to -2 square plus -4 square. So what we have got, AB square is equals to 4 plus 16. So AB square is equals to 20. So AB square is equals to under root 20. So AB is equals to, you can see what we have got, 2 root 5 unit. Okay, so look how easy this is. So this is all about the distance formula. We have a lot and a lot of different questions which we can solve further.